Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you? I hope you all doing great and good health. Thanks a lot for watching me on YouTube or Facebook. Today we will talking about the Dead Sea, the famous sea in the world, and all people who know a little information about the sea. If you're interested in the subject, watch this video.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we.
The first information with us today about Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is not a sea. It's actually a big lake, a very special lake. No one sneaks into this water or this lake. The salt makes the water hold people up. For the reason, no one sneaks into this Dead Sea.
The Dead Sea is a low spot on the earth. It is about 45 meters below sea level and drop about 33 centimeters every year. Its name derives from its lack of life because of the salinity and lack of food. The reason for the salinity of the Dead Sea is that it is a closed sea and is not connected to any other sea. The Jordan River is the only source of the water. The Dead Sea is located in oil surrounded by mountains. Its high salinity is harmful to eyes and skin, but the salts have positive economic effects. Potash and other mineral salts are used in a various chemical industry.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin.
And the last, I hope you enjoy with me about subject Dead Sea. My regrets, better not.